Let's start. Today we'll see Maven tool, guys. Right now, see, guys. Now you see, guys, Maven. So why people use Maven tool? Right now, see, guys. Now you see here, developers, they upload the source code, right? This is the source code they upload. They upload to GitHub or Git, right? So this is the source code, guys. For example, Java source code. This Java source code can be directly deployed to Tomcat server. Is the Tomcat app server, right? Say Tomcat is app server. Can we directly deploy the source code to Tomcat server? We can directly deploy. We have to build this one, guys. There's a concept called build. So we build this source code and create a WAR file. We create, guys, a WAR file. This WAR file we can deploy, guys. This is okay, but source code we can't directly deploy to Tomcat server. First of all, we have to build the source code and create the WAR file. Then we can deploy to one of the servers, one of the application servers like Tomcat, Wildfly, JBoss, right? First of all, build. So Maven is a build tool, guys. Maven is a build tool. We can build the source code to WAR files. So we use Maven, guys. Right? We use Maven tool. Maven is a tool. Huh? We can use Maven tool to build the source code to WAR file. Then we can deploy this one here. That is possible. But we can't directly deploy the source code here. That's what we use Maven to build the source code. Then we deploy the particular WAR file here, right? The building process, we use Maven tool, guys. Source code building, right? Now you see here. So we use different languages. Say we use Java. We use Maven is a build tool. Maven. Say what is build, guys? Build. Build means we convert source code to bar or whatever EAR, right? So here we use to so here we are building these things, right? And create the bar file, right? Say we have Java, say likewise, say if we use .NET, if we use .NET, what is the build tool? NAND, right? Say if we use Python, what is the build tool for Python? py builder. Say what is the build tool for Ruby? Say we use rake, right? So likewise, we use different build tools for different languages, right? Right. Say JavaScript, say JavaScript, Node.js, Angular. The build tool known as Grunt. Right? Right. Give me 1 second. Right. Now you see here, who is a vendor of Java? Who is a vendor of Java? Sun Microsystems. Recently, guys, Sun Microsystem acquired by Oracle, right? Acquired by Oracle, guys. So, right, Oracle. Right. Right. So DevOps, guys, say we use Java project. Mostly we use Java project. Right? So that's what we learn Maven. right, as a build tool, right? Say if you take Java, it comes with number of applications. Say for example, say Java standalone app, right? Then like Java web apps. Then we have Java enterprise apps, right? So it's complete number of applications. So here guys, say here we use Java guys. The applications end up with .java. Here the application end up with .var. Here the application end up with .ear. Right? Right? Here say .java. Now you see here guys, it's a standalone software. Here we use source code. Say Java source code. Isn't it? Only the source code. Here we use source code plus web content, right? Source code plus say web content, right? Say web content means here we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? Then what else? These things, right? EAR. Here also we use source code plus web content, right? Here applications end up with .ear. Here application end up with .war file. Now you see here guys, last time we deployed a WAR file guys in Tomcat server. We deployed a WAR file, Java web app WAR file, right? Here we have only the Java file application. If we use Java web app, you have WAR files here also. Sorry, here EAR file, right? So these are Java versions, guys, right? Now you see here. Say one more thing. Java means Java archive. Java archive. Say WA means web say web archive. Right? EAR means enterprise archive. Enterprise archive. Right? Now you see here, say when you write a Java program, it's something like this. So for example, say if you write hello world, the extension is dot Java, right? Yeah. Say once you write a Java program, you have to compile the program. How do we compile guys Java program? Say we use Java, C, right, and compile the program, right? Hello world.java. Say this hello world.java guys. We write the coding, Java coding. We can able to understand the coding. The classes and all we write and we can able to understand. Say once we compile the Java program, right? It's something like this guys. This one we can understand. Right? Here we are compiling guys. Say Java C means Java compiler, Java C. Right? So here compile. Once we compile, it comes like this. This is known as bytecode. Right? We can't understand the bytecode, guys. This bytecode understand by the machine computer. Right? We write these things, guys. This is okay. We can write the coding and all. Say we are compiling here, guys, Java, C, and the program. Once we compile, it comes like this. It's known as bytecode, zeros and ones. We can understand the zeros and ones. Right? Say, how do we run this one, guys? How do we run the program? Java program. Say, if you want to run the Java program, Java, then hello world. Hello world. This is how we run the Java program and get the output, guys, isn't it? So these are the steps, guys. The program name is something like this. Here we are compiling Java compilers. And we convert these things to bytecode. You see here, guys, hello world.class. We are running not hello world.class, we are running hello world. Then we get the output. Output comes, right? So these are the steps to run Java program. In Java, there's a software, JVM, guys. Have you heard about Java Virtual Machine? Java Virtual Machine. This one able to understand this bytecode, the zeros and one. This one able to understand bytecode by JVM. So when you install Java, you need to install JVM to run the Java code, isn't it? Normally, guys, when we install Java, we install JDK and JVM also. Why people use JDK? To develop the software, guys, Java software. Why people use JVM, guys? Java virtual machine to run the coding, to run the particular this bytecode. That's what people install Java development kit and Java virtual machine. Both people use. All right. This is for the development purpose. This is for run the particular software, isn't it? Now you see here. Anyway, it's not here. I try to show the bytecode. It's not here. Okay, anyway, right? But that's what we install these two softwares to work with Java, right? Right. Now you see here, we are creating something like this, guys. .jar we are creating, .var we are creating, .ear create, isn't it, guys? Right. So these are the packages. Right. These are the packages. Right. So if you take Java language, there are some custom package and predefined package as well. Right? So if you want to deploy the particular code, you need to convert to Java file or WAR file, guys. Then only you can deploy that one to Tomcat server. Right? That is the reason we are converting these things to jar file or WAR file or EAR file. We are building, right? From the source code, we are building, right? So the building purpose, we use Maven is a tool, guys, to build the source code to jar files, WAR files, EAR file, right? Maven is a tool, right? Now you see here, Maven is a tool. So Maven uses a script. It uses a script for the building process. The script known as pom.xml, guys. Okay. Before go to pom.xml, what is XML, guys? What is HTML, guys? We all know this HTML, guys. Now you see here, you put something like this. Right. So here, guys, we use the predefined tag, guys. These tags already defined, isn't it? Then what about XML, guys? Extensible markup language. XML. Here we can define the tags, guys. Say for example, is our own tag. Say for example, age. Say put something. So here we are using our own tag, right? These tags are not predefined. It's not already defined, guys. So we use our own tag, right? So that is the difference between XML and HTML, guys. Now we come to this POM. Say what is POM? POM is a build script. Isn't it, guys? Maven is a tool. Maven uses this script for building process. That means convert to source code to the WAR file, jar files, EAR files. Right? So it uses this script XML. The script is in XML language. We have number of scripts. Say shell script. We have Python script. Right? So like here also we have XML script. Right? Now you may ask the question, what POM stand for, isn't it? POM means, guys, package object model. Package object model. That is known as POM. POM.xml is a build a script. Clear? You may ask the question. Say, let me put like this. Is a default, sorry. Default build script. You may ask the question, can't we use our own name .xml? Yes, we can use. Say for example, flipkart.xml, abc.xml, or your company name.xml. Right? This is a default one. That's what I am saying. It's a default build script, guys. If you want, you can use abc.xml as well. Right? Or your company name.xml. You may ask another question, who write the script? Right? Developers write the script, guys. Right? They write the script. But we have to understand the script, guys. Then only we can demand. Say if you know more, then only we can demand, guys. Otherwise, we accept what they are saying. Okay? That is the reason we try to understand this pom.xml. Any issues comes or any error comes, we can easily point out. This is your mistake. Right? Right. Right? Package object model is a build a script, right? Right? But we should know the structure, guys. pom.xml. So what is inside this pom.xml, guys? Right? We should know the build script structure, right? So first of all, we just we install the Maven software. Right? Now you see here, guys. You go here and you can download the Maven software. So wait, give me a second. Let me find the website to download. This is the site you can download. Now you see here, guys. Here you can download binaries. Right? So okay. You have source code as well, guys. If you want to modify the particular feature of Maven, then you can download the source code. If not, go for this one, guys, the zip file or tar.gc. Right? Then download this. So meantime, you just refer this site. Now you see here, guys, system requirement. So if you want to install Maven, you need 1.7 Java JDK 1.7. Now you see here, guys, require JDK 1.7, not JVM. We need JVK, guys. Sorry, JDK, guys. Java Development Kit. And this is the size of the disk space and operating system. Right? You can go for Linux, Windows, and Mac operating system as well. Right? So you see here, guys, something like this. Now you see here. So Maven is a Java-based build tool. Vendor is Apache, guys. It's a open source. It's a cross-platform. We can install any platform, Linux, Windows, right? Even Mac operating system. You can download the zip files, right, and extract it, guys. Download the zip file and we need to extract, right? The POM means, guys, project object model, right? It's a build script. We will learn what is local repository, central repository, and a remote repository. You see here, guys, the build script, the pom.xml is something like this, guys. This is the sample pom.xml. Right? So this location, we can download the particular software, right? So when you install Maven, 1 GB RAM is enough, guys. And you can go for T2 micro hardware, right? So if you want to install Maven, you need a Java, guys. Maven is a Java-based open source software, right? Then you install Maven, guys. You download the zip file or that tar.gz file. You can download any of these things and install this. Right. Now guys, see the directory structure, guys. The last class also we have seen Tomcat directory structure, isn't it? Last time we learned Tomcat server, right? Now see Maven directory structure. right? So it comes with some binary files, guys. Bin, sorry, bin folder. Then it comes with lib folder. Then font folder. We know binary, guys. The binary is and all, right? The commands and all. Say for example, MVN, guys. Use the command MV. All the commands are in bin folder, guys. If you take Linux, all the commands are come under bin and sbin folder, right? Say like mbn command, we use mbn commands, right? Then we have configuration files, guys. Here we have some configuration files. Configuration files. We have library files, guys. Say for example, a jar and all, a library files. And we have some boot files as well, right? In the configuration, guys, configuration folder, there's another file known as settings. Settings.xml. Very important file. Here we can modify the local settings, right? So this is a directory structure of Maven software, right? Maven software, and we have some boot files as well. Boot files, right? It's a directory structure. So there are a number of build tools. Say why people use Maven? We can use other build tools, guys. The reason is the Maven is a open source software. Anyone can use. You can use, me can use, others can use. That's what people prefer Maven. Most of the companies, they use Maven as a build tool. Right? Why we are building? Once we build only, we can put the particular application. Some people call that application as artifact. We deploy the application or artifact to app server. Without build, we can't deploy. That is the reason we are building. There are a number of building tools, guys. Some are free, some are premium softwares. We need to pay. Maven is a open source. That's what people would like to go with Maven software. Right? Right. So let me put something. Let me put something here, guys. Say right? Right. So guys, when you run these things, so if you want to write Java program, guys, right, you need this software to write Java program. Here you need this software to write Java program. If you want to run Java, you need this software, guys. Java runtime environment. Without this software, you can't get the output, right? Right. So first of all, guys, let's see the Maven installation. So we need the Java. Say you can go for Java 1.8 or 8 also fine. That's what it's saying. You need require JDK 1.7. 1.8 is fine. 8 also good. Right? See, once you install Java, what is the command to check the Java version? We check through Java, something like this, then we get the output. Maven also, we use MBN version. Then we get Maven version out, right? Say if you enjoy Tomcat dash version, right? Something else. Right. Now, guys, let's see the pom dot this spec. Give me a second. Do we have this software? Now you see here, guys, the pom.xml, the sample pom.xml file. Here is something like this. Group ID is there, artifact ID is there. Artifact means the particular application name. This is the particular application name, guys. We can define the version like this. And it should be .jar file. If you want var file, then define var. Here var. Here you define the version. Here you define the software name. Maven Java or something. This one. Right. Now this is the software, guys. This is the folder, guys. It's a company name. It's the folder. So it's also folder. Inside com folder, BT folder is there. Under BT folder, this software is there. Now you see a BT means that you define your company name. Com dot, that means com folder, and this BT is there. BT is software is there. The package name would be .java. Here you define the project name. What is the project? Or just leave it. This is not must. Here you define just like your company URL. Right? And you define the dependencies. So if you want to create this one, right, this jar package, this is depend on this software. Now you see here, guys, is dependency singular. Is a plural dependencies. Here we can write number of dependencies. Programmer write down number of dependencies here, guys. Is dependencies under here. He or she define the dependencies. For example, this package, this package is depends on JUnit, guys. So if you want to test a particular code, we need a JUnit. Java unit is a testing software. It will test the particular code. Right. Here we are not writing any coding, guys. We try to understand this pom.xml file. That's all. So the developer gives a source code to you guys. He writes some Java program and hand over the source code to you. You just build the source code, that's all. Before build the source code, we need to understand the pom.xml file. What is inside pom.xml file? The programmer will write the dependencies and all this. So this package, the particular jar file, is depends on this software JUnit. This JUnit software is depends on other plugins, guys. We call the other plugins known as transitive dependencies. This one also depends on other software, other package. We call those package known as transitive dependency. But it's not here, guys. We need to define the other softwares. That means when we install, this will automatically download other dependencies, its dependencies, and install. But main dependencies we have to define here. JUnit means it's a Java test case testers. Right. So if you want to check the Java test cases, we use JUnit. It will automatically check the particular test cases. In Java, if you want to test the particular coding or test cases, we use the framework known as JUnit. Say .NET, you need to use NUnit. Say it's a C language, C unit framework. It will automate. Right? C++, CPP, unit. This is the test framework. We just call the particular framework and test the code. If there's any issues. Otherwise, we have to test the code manually, guys. It takes long time to complete manual testing. That's what people prefer the framework. Within few seconds, we can test the entire code. Right? So that's the reason in the build script, we add these things, guys. So when we build the coding, meantime, we can test the code as well, guys. If there's an issues in the code, coding level, right? But so guys, before start the Maven installation part, right? We will learn 3 repositories first. Repositories means storage. Right? Let's see 3 repositories. What are the 3 repositories here? Say Maven local repositories. Local repo. We have Maven central repo. We have Maven remote repo. We have 3 repositories. The Maven local repositories, guys. That means the dependencies are in your computer. So it's your computer, guys. Okay. Local repository means the dependencies are in your computer, guys. There's a folder known as, guys, m2.m2. The folder, it has all the dependencies locally. It has all the, so when you build the code, the build process going on, it's get the dependencies locally, guys. Suppose there's no dependencies locally, it will contact to Maven central repository outside and download the dependencies. Right. The central repository. It's a central repository. So this process you need outside connection. So it gets download from the central hub. We will see the demonstration, guys. Companies create some repositories, guys. Right? They create some repository for only the specific companies, guys. This repository is only for the companies only. Others can't use. This repository known as a remote repository. So it's download, get the remote repository, guys. This is specific for the companies, guys. They create and hosting some locations. Say, for example, a GitHub, right? This kind of repository is known as a remote repository, right? Local, central we have, and remote repositories, right? Right. Say you see here, guys, Maven central is there, Maven remote repository, Maven local repository. So let's see the group IDs, their artifact ID, version ID. A local repository in your computer, guys. Sorry. Say if you use local repository, it is in M2 folder. M2 folder is a hidden folder. Here we have dependencies, guys. Say in your form file, in your build script, say you write like this, dependencies here. when you build the script, is first is check the M2 folder locally. M2 folder. Go and check. This one is there. Is not there, then is connected to central, or it connected to remote repository and download the dependency. Right? So here you define number of dependencies. Right? Here we are not writing any coding, right? We try to build the coding part. We try to build. That's all. Right? So suppose if you use Windows, this is the location, guys. Say central repository, guys. Is go and search outside and download. And we have remote repositories, guys. Companies have specific repositories for their companies, their own repositories. Now you see here this diagram. So when you build, first is check with the local repository. Is not there, then is connected to central or remote repository and download the dependencies, guys. Very important, dependencies. And build the particular application. Right? So guys, the Maven goals. So we learn where this MBN command. Say the build, we use MBN command, guys. Now see, guys. So first of all, we will see the installation part. Then we come to Maven goals. What is Maven goals? Maven goals are nothing but commands. That's all. Right? We will learn this one shortly, guys. Before that, we'll install Maven software. Right? So let me get one computer. Let me go for this one, guys. This one is bit speed compared with this one. You better choose this one. Huh? This one is free. So guys, wait some time. First of all, update. Sorry, the reason is this one is a red hat machine. Then we can use apt, use jump. Now we install, sorry, now updated the particular machine. Now install Java. Just follow this tube to install Java, guys. Right? This is very easy. This is the Java steps. This is the Maven steps, guys. Right? You just follow these things and install Java and Maven. Now first install Java, guys. First of all, download Java, guys. If you want to download Java, you need a wget yum install wget, something like this. So we use wget to download particular software, right? So then download Java. Before that, change the folder. Let me go to OPT folder. You can use any folders as you wish, right? Say download first, then copy and paste these things to download Java, right? So we are downloading Java. Now you see here that Java has been downloaded. Say what is the next step? Say yum install this. Now we are installing Java, guys. So let's check the version. Now you see here, this is the Java version 1.8. 1.8 is enough to install Maven. Right? And now we install this one. Java got installed. What is the next step? Then we install Maven software. Right? Just follow the tune. The Java is prerequisite. Right? So you install unzip as well. We are going to download the binary, zip files. Need to unzip the particular zip file, then install unzip software as well. It's fine. So then you install sorry, before install, download this zip file, Maven zip file. Now you see here, guys. Go to Maven here. You see the zip files and tar.gz. Here you just copy the link address and paste it over. That's all. Right? Copy the link address here. Go to your server, wget, and paste it, guys. If you want, you can paste this as well. It's also same. Right? Enter. Now it has been downloaded. Since it's a zip file, you need to unzip this one. How do we unzip? Unzip this. Now you see here, guys, Apache Maven. Let's see the folder. You see the folder structure there, guys. Bin VLAN, boot VLAN, conf VLAN, lib VLAN, library files. Conference, guys. Here you see settings.xml, guys. Very important file. Here we download the particular zip file. First of all, we need to set the path, right? Then only the software works. Now you see here. Say when you type MVN version, saying there's no command found. The reason is we have to set the path. Let's see how to set the path. Just open the profile, sorry, bash profile, and just put these things and activate the particular lines. Now you see here, guys, copy and paste. Say just go somewhere here. And set the path. So Windows also we just set the path like this. So if we install Java, we set the path something like this, right? Now it's also same. Save these things and run this one. So run this as well, guys. This is for all users. Anyone login? They also use Maven, guys. That's why we put these things under a profile. Anyone can use MVN command, right? Open profile and put these things. So you just go to the end of the line. Also fine. Yeah, go somewhere here and put, right? End of the line also fine. It works. So activate the configuration. So now you check these things and see MVN version, it works. So now it's saying Maven 3.8.6. Right? So first of all, set the path like this. If you set the path this one, this means particular user only run MVN command. If you set like this, all can run MVN command. This is for all users. This was specific user. Sorry, okay. Now guys, we just install MVN guys. It works, see? Now see guys, it works. We get the output like this. It's saying MVN home, this is the software location. And saying Java, say Java is say Oracle vendor. Vendor is Oracle guys, not Sun Microsystem. Oracle acquired Java. Runtime we use DARE guys. Right? And its a platform is Linux, something like this. The Unix family. All right, so we install MVN here. Right? Now Maven is ready. Now what we can do is, so inside Maven we put the Java application, the coding, Java coding. Then we use Maven to build the code. Now you see here guys. Here I have the Java code, Maven standalone application master.c. So this one come with some sort of Java code and some web application. Now we are going to build, we use Maven tool to build this code and create the artifact, create the jar file, WAR file, EAR file, artifact guys. Right? So let me send these things to particular server. So how do we send these things to the cloud machine? It's a cloud server. How do we send? So we use WinSCP to communicate with cloud servers. So sorry, to copy files and all. Say we use WinSCP. So let me put the server IP address and all. Use the public IP address. Go to you advanced authentication. Here you choose the key guys. Easy to use as a username. Just put like this, then you connect. Right. Let me copy and paste from my computer. So where is the zip file is in Maven, right? It's in desktop Maven. So go here, you just choose the desktop, then Maven. Here you just copy and paste, just drag and drop. Now you see here, it goes to the server. Now minimize this one, go to the server and say ls and see. Wait, it is in different location. It should be under easy to use. Now you see here guys, Maven standalone application. The coding part is zip part. Let me copy to OPT folder. Now you see here, guys, we can copy these things to OPT folder. This is since it's a zip file, let me unzip this one. LSNC, guys. Now we have unzipped this. Right. We have unzipped this. So is any questions so far? Right. So guys, we'll go for the short break. Now the time is around 6:47. We'll go up to 7:05, guys. Quick break, huh? Short break. Okay, guys. Hi all, let's start. So now you see here OPT folder. This is the Java application. CD ls. Now you see here pom.xml is there. Let's see what is inside src. Here we have the coding, you know. So cd main. The sample coding and all here, right? So this is the Java code. So you see here, guys, pom.xml is there. So let's open this pom.xml. Say this has created by the developer. Say you see here the group ID is there, is the company name, the artifact name, the application name, guys. And here you define the version and the jar file or war file, right? Say come down here. Here you define the dependencies. And the dependencies plural. Here we define the dependencies. Here we define JUnit. Okay. It's a testing framework. It tests the coding part, right? So here we define the dependencies, something like this. Now, so we are here. Now try to create the package. So when we create the package jar file, is download the dependencies from, first is check the local server It's not there, then is connected to central repository and downloads the dependencies. When we build, we are building, not compiling. We are building. Now guys, let's see how to build. We are here. Just start to build. So when we build, this pom.xml should be there, guys. Without pom.xml is a build script. Without pom.xml, we can't build. We need the pom.xml. Now see guys, MVN package. Let's create the package. Look here. So in this folder, now you see here guys, in this folder, there are 3 content. Jenkins files, pom.xml, the Java code, SRC is there. Right? Only 3 contents are here guys. 2 files and 1 folder. Once we build, we get another folder known as target. Right? Now you see here, MVN package. MVN is a command. Package is known as goal. What is our goal? Create the package. Using the Java code to create the package. Package is a goal. We will learn some goals shortly, guys. Right? Right. First of all, let's build these things as package. Right? Right. Now you see here. Now see now guys. Now see. Now say the build is success. Building Java. We are creating Java file. The Java file, this is the Java file has been created. So see here, guys, there's a target folder. There you see the reasons. Say LSNC guys. Here. So we get the target folder. Let's access the target folder. LSNC. Here you see the package. pom.xml file, we just define these things. The Java package, we have defined the version. We have defined the package name. Now you see here the pom.xml. Here we define the package name, guys. Package version and define the what sort of package. It's a Java package. Packaging is a Java, right? Say you see here guys. For the target, LSNs. Here you see Maven standalone application, something like this. Now the application is ready. This application you can deploy to the Tomcat server. Last time we deployed .bar file. Java file also you can deploy. Now just observe here. Now observe. Say MBN. Now my goal is clean. Say if I apply clean goal, it will remove this one target. It will remove target and remove the application as well. The thing is, application is inside target folder. That is the reason. Now say clean and see. LSNC guys. Now again we get the these. Here we get build success. So clean. Maven clean. Clean what? What clean? Maven standalone application. It has been cleaned this one. Let me create the package again. MVN. What is my goal now? Package. Now you see here, guys. Now you see here. This time it bits fast, isn't it? LSNC. Again, you see the target fold. What is the reason this time it's a bit fast, guys? Now say when I apply the package, this time it's fast. Says run test, this run test, and test pass, right? And build success, and it has created this application jar file. So let's confirm here for the target LSNC is there. Now you now observe this one. Just observe this one, guys. Say let me remove this folder. Say first of all let me clean this one. MBN clean and see. It will remove the package. Huh? So, wait. So first of all, now guys say when I apply MBN clean, the build failure is saying. What is the reason? It's clearly say the reason. The goal you specified. The goal I specified requires the project to execute, but there's no pom.xml. Do we have pom.xml here? There's no pom.xml here, guys. Just go back. Here we have pom.xml. Here you run the command mbn clean. Just run and see. Build success. Now it has been clean. LSNC, guys. Right now there is no target folder. Now observe. Let me delete this folder. Now observe here. MVN package. Again, let's make the package. Creating the package class. Let's observe here. Observe. Why such a long time? Say meantime you see here is downloading from central. The dependencies not in this computer. That is the reason I am downloading this from central repository, guys. See? The dependencies guys. Dependencies is downloading from central, guys. It's saying something like this. But let me run again. Now you see here, guys. MVN package and see now. Now see, guys. The build process is with speed. This time is already downloaded. Is getting from the local computer. That is the reason. It gets the dependencies from a local computer. But here is saying I am downloading something from central. It needs some time to download. Here it completed with fast because it gets the dependencies from local. Where these dependencies are located, just go to this folder. Go to M2 folder. It's a hidden one, guys. Hidden folder, dot folder, hidden. Here you see the repositories, guys. Now you see here, guys. These are the repositories. It's already downloaded from central. Right? So here we define the JUnit and all. JUnit is downloaded some other dependencies. That means JUnit is dependent on some other package. These packages created a folder. This is known as transitive dependencies. Transitive dependencies. That is the reason we call Maven as an interdependency resolver. So if it needs any sub dependencies or the plugin, it download those things itself. It won't ask us. That is the reason we call Maven is an interdependency resolver. Interdependency resolver. Right, interdependency resolve. Right. So we have defined this one. It has downloaded other package as well because it needs other packages. Right. It's download itself. We didn't download. It's download itself as interdependency resolver. Right. So So where these repositories are located, local repositories are located. You see here, guys. This is the location, root M2. Now you see here, guys, we learn these things. Local repositories are under M2 folder, guys. Right? Right. Here, guys, we are creating the package. Target, we are creating the package. Right? Here, guys, we are creating the package. M2, Maven downloads the dependency, right? Now, see, guys, right. Now let's see what is goals and all. Say we use some goals and all here, guys. Right? So now see we use see, look here. Say you see here, guys, we use this goals and all. Right? Say clean goal package. Right? So let's see some goals. Say, you know, guys, the clean goal will remove the package, right? Removes the package. Oh, I can say, let me put like this. It will delete the previous build files. There's another goal known as site. If you use site goal, creates it will create documents for your source code, how your source code and blah blah things, right? It will create document, right? Next goal is validate. The validate means it will validate your project structure and resource file. So guys, these are the goals. The clean mean it will delete the previous build files. Now you see here guys, it will delete the previous build files. See, already built guys, already this one has been built. If you apply mvn clean, it will remove previous build files. Now you see here guys, lsnc target gone. It removes the previous build file. Side it create the document. If you want, you can create the document for your source code. Validate. So it validates your project structure and the resource file. It will compile guys, it will compile your source code. Test mean it will test your source code. Package mean it create the package. So if you put the command like this, mvn package, first is run the clean, say site, this one, finally create the package. You can use two goals, say clean package, something like this. Don't use like this, mvn package clean. This is wrong. It create the package, then delete the package guys. Clean means delete the package. Say mvn means clean the previous one and create the package. Say if you say install, it will show your build source code guys, artifact. It will store locally guys. If you say deploy, it will store these things in a remote server. Later we create the Nexus server. Nexus, there we can store the source code. Source code guys, we can use Nexus server to store the particular source code. Nexus is a server where we can store the source code, artifact. The build artifact guys, not source code, the build artifact, right? The WAR file, jar file, EAR file, we can show here, not source code, the artifact, right? WAR file, EAR file, those things we can show Nexus server. It's a remote server we can show. If you apply install, we can show locally. If you want, you just deploy and you store these things in a remote server like Nexus. It's also open source server. Later we learn. Right? This is the right way to apply the commands. First clean and package. So these are the goals guys. Now you see here guys, mvn package. So it's this time it's going to create the package using local repository guys. Enter and see. The repository is already downloaded this time, right? Says stun the test also. So it has been created tab. Now this one we can deploy to Tomcat server. right? Now you see here, guys. So we learn these things, the goals we learn. Then what else we learn, guys? So by default, it put these things to M2 folder. There we have all the repository, guys. If you want, you can change the folder location, the repository location, dependencies location. Now you see here. Let me go to this one. Let me create the folder mkdir root folder. Let me put a repo. This time I would like to use this as my repository dependencies folder, right? So what you can do is, first of all, go to Maven and inform about this folder. Now go to Maven, Apache Maven. There go to conf file. There the settings.xml is there. There you can change the path. va settings.xml. Now you see here. Say by default, the default location would be M2, guys. If you want, you can change the default location. Now you see here, guys. Go here. Say local repository, copy and paste this one. So this line has been commented. Now you see here, guys, the line has been commented. Right? So put it here. Say, what is my local path right now? A root folder and repo. This is my local path, the repository path. Download to this one. Save this one, guys. So let me confirm further. Repo pwd. Now you see here, guys, nothing is there in this folder. Right now there's no repositories. Right? Now you see here. Let me go to opt and go to my Java project. Maven standalone this one. Enter here. Say let me run mbn. First of all, let me clean this one. Clean this one. Now mbn package and then success. Now you see here a cd, a root, a repo and c. Here now you see some files and folders are here. Now the location has changed. You can change the repository location. Go to settings.xml file. right? Right. Again, go to OPT. So let me clean again. Now I just clean it. So guys, when you run this command, so when you run package command, guys, it will run all these commands. If you want, you can skip the testing part, guys. Now you see here. Let me run again. MBN package. So it's test complete, then create the package. If you want, you can skip this part. The test part you can skip. Now you see here, guys. Let me clean again. Right now there is no target code. And now you see MBN package. Skip test. Skip the testing part. Don't test right now. Don't test the code, right? Just create the package. Now you see here, guys. You won't see the testing, guys. See? You won't see the testing. Just build the code. We can skip the testing part, right? And create the package. Right? There's no testing here. Right? So it's skipped. Right? The tests are skipped, guys. See, you see here, the tests are skipped. We can skip the testing part. Without this one, you see the test is there, it test, right? Right. So now we have created the target. Now see, guys, we have created the Java file. The package is ready. This is how we create the package. Java files, WAV files, EAF. That. So guys, this is something about Maven. It's something about Maven, guys. So here, guys, so we have learned the JIT behavior. So we have learned the observer Tomcat. Today we have learned the Maven. Next one, guys, we are going to learn the server known as Jenkins. Very important server, guys. Right? This is a server is going to communicate with all other servers. Without Jenkins, there's no DevOps. No DevOps, guys. Very, very important server. We will discuss not today. Next class, we are going to discuss the Jenkins server. Right. So it's a central hub. It's going to communicate with other servers, guys. If you go for any DevOps jobs, they ask this one. Definitely they ask about Jenkins. Right. So guys, now we have completed the build tool Jenkins, guys. Sorry, Maven. Not Jenkins, huh? Maven. So guys, if you have any questions, please raise. We will discuss. Okay, if you don't have any questions, guys, then we will wind up the class, guys. Okay, then guys, goodbye and good night.